No? Icky? Chill. Chew it. Chill. G, chill. Yummy. Yeah, good girl.
Last time she didn't like it all.
She's gonna get used to it.
The face that she
She was
made
like-
was
she was
hilarious. She
like-
was like, ugh.
Mommy,
good?
Mommy, she was like,
Good girl. Oh, she likes it.
Oh yeah, it did. It melted.
Good girl. Yay,
Yeah.
G.
Yay for
So how old
G.
is he now? 6 months?
6 months.
how are you?
What you got? Ready?
Oh, he gets the red eye too, like Tori does. When you take pictures, does he get red eye in his pictures?
Sometimes.
Does he have blue eyes?
Yeah. Or well,
I like
Hazel.
Hazel.
Uh huh.
Hey, handsome.
I can see it on the video. That's why, because like with Tori, you can see it.
Is that yummy?
What do you have in your mouth, dude?
Nom nom nom.
You done?